Hello, Year 8 parents and Year 8 students. I hope you're all well. I've just wanted to make a very short video to show you how to make your option choices for this academic year coming. This year, you'll make your option choices using an online form. When you get an email later today, what you should find is that you have a link, and if you click that link, it will bring you to the page that is shown on your screen now. When you make your option choices this year, we want you to use two different methods. We are using two methods this year to make your choices because we are trialing a new piece of software which should give every student the choice that the real choice that they want to make. However, if this software does not work, I need to have also a traditional method of choosing options to fall back on that I can use to build the timetable this year. When you click on the link, if you are a Pathway 1 student, which is nearly all the students, that means that you will have to choose at least one humanities subject, that's geography or history, in your options, and you must choose Spanish. You can choose them in any order or in any option block that you wish, and you are left with two free choices. So I'll just take you through the form now. When you click on the link and it takes you to the page, you just type in your name, type in your surname, put in your tutor group. I'm going to put myself in Burnsley 1 and choose the student's media group. They will know this. Then click Next. Then you will need to choose your subjects. Remember, I must choose Spanish and I must choose a humanities subject somewhere in the 4 blocks. So I would like to do art. I would also like to do history. I would like to do separate sciences. And I would like to do Spanish. Spanish is in this block and history is in this block. So these are my 4 choices. I've got to check here. Have I chosen at least one humanities subject? Yes. And have I chosen Spanish as a subject? Yes. Then click Next. I'm then going to be asked to make the same choices in this list. Now, I said I wanted to do art, I wanted to do history, I want to do Spanish, and I want to do separate sciences. Now, those were the choices I made in method 1, and they're the same here. So it's fine, there's no change. If, however, when I was choosing in the option blocks, I was limited because of the way the option blocks are set up, I can make a change here, and it may affect 1 subject or 2 subjects. So there may be a slight change, but that's only if you could not make your preferred choice using the option blocks. The condition still applies that you must choose Spanish and you must choose a humanities subject. Have I chosen one humanities in this method? Yes. And have I chosen Spanish? Yes. Please make sure that you and your child are both aware and happy about the subject choices that are being made. I know you will have spent a lot of time discussing that. Click Yes and then click Next. We will then ask you if you speak any of the following community languages and that you would be able to sit that language at GCSE level in year 10 or possibly in year 11. We will not be teaching these during normal school time, and we may be able to teach some after school, but this is something that you will be informed of. It may be that you are not given any lessons in this and you would have to learn this at home and prepare for the GCSE yourself. It may be that you speak a different language. I speak Spanish very badly, but I think I could do a GCSE in it in a year or so. So I'm going to click Next. If there are any questions that you would like to ask, or there is something that you are not sure about, please put a comment here. When you've completed all of those things, you may submit your form. If you are a student who is on Pathway 2, the only difference with Pathway 2 is that, I'll fill these in again, you do not have to choose Spanish. And it may have been decided that it will be better for you to not do Spanish. This only affects a few students. However, if you want to do Spanish, you may choose it in your options. So you will find it in your option blocks here. When you choose a humanities subject, you may choose geography or history or RE. So you have 3 choices for humanities, and you must choose one of those somewhere in your option blocks, and you may choose Spanish or not. So you would have an additional choice, and you then follow the method I've just shown in the previous section. If you have any issues, please contact us on the email address that's on the letter. I hope this is clear, and we look forward to receiving your option choices by Friday, the 8th of May. All the best. See you soon.